Service reset. Renault Grand Scenic 2018. Open. Press the start button. And then use the toggle switch up. Find the service interval. Hold it until it's blink. Press again. It's already done because it will blink. Done. And then you need to find another one. This one, the service light. You need to hold it again, the OK button. There you go. 18,000 miles for 12 months. Done. All right.